Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Libras. For your daily energies, Libras, we are picking few cards, guys. For your career situation and relationship, I'll be picking one card each from this deck. So this is for your career situation, Libras, and this is for your relationship. And one card from the angel guidance deck. So this is the angel card. We will open these cards as we proceed, Libra. So let's start with the daily energy first. It's whips, heart, dog. So with these cards, guys, I see that this person you are in connection with, maybe you had some doubts about them, but they are really devoted to you, truthful to you, guys. And maybe for some of you, you are having some doing some repetitive action. It may be some habits. It may be, for some of you, it may be something harmful, like drinking, smoking. If it is something harmful, you need to go for that moderation, guys. If it is something good, some kind of a good habit, maybe like detox diet or some health oriented habits, you can follow that, guys. So whatever your heart desires is, whatever you are wishing for yourself, towards that which you have that affection and love, you are moving towards that. Maybe it may also mean something to do in your career, some path. It may be a creative path, something which you love, you are progressing towards that. Or it may be this person with whom you are really passionate about. You have that compassion, love and affection towards them, great intimacy. So you are moving towards them, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, Libras. Let us see what is your card for your career. Man. So with that card, I see you are a disciplined person, a good person, advisor, a well-known person with deep knowledge. So whatever troubles you have in your situation, you have that courage and confidence to deal with your situation, guys. You may occupy an important role in your career. Maybe you are a team leader or CEO, someone who makes important decisions. That is also what I see, guys, with this card. Let us see what is a card for your relationship. Bouquet. Such a positive card here, guys, for your relationship. This card means that all your difficult situations are coming to an end, guys. Maybe in your relationship, if you had any difficulties. And this card stands for clarity and understanding. So you are coming to an understanding with this person. You are working towards this relationship and a positive way in this relationship, and you find that clarity with this person, and you are having that emotional satisfaction and contentment, affection and love to this person. And maybe this person is coming towards you with gifts or gifts and to console you, maybe. So some kind of stressful situation you are going to overcome today, Libras. That is what I see with these cards, guys, for your daily reading. Let us see what is your angel card. Friendship. So with this card, it just means that in our day-to-day life, guys, we just tend to forget and think that what we have in life, we just are caught up in the cycle. We face so many stressful situations, and our day-to-day life, we forget the things we have. the people who are there in this connection with us, friends, family, this person to whom we are really grateful. So when we take a closer look at these relationships, we will know that how rich we are, and we need to thank those people every day, guys. Feel that unconditional love they give us each and every day. So we need to be thankful, have that compassion towards the people who help us, our friends who are always there in our life, who nurture our dreams and who are there in our positive times and even in our downfall. So we should not forget such people, and when we accept their love and love them back and support them the same way they supported us during our tough times, we will be able to build that harmonious, balanced connection, guys. So that is what this card is about, guys. So we should not forget the people who have helped us, our friends, and we have to be the same way towards them, reciprocate the same way. So that is the guidance with this card, and that is the reading for your Libras. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.